This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard eclairs. First, combine water, butter, a pinch of sugar, and salt in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Remove from heat, then quickly stir and flour until a dough ball forms. Return to low heat for 2 minutes to dry the dough. Transfer to a bowl and beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Pipe the dough into 4-inch lengths on a baking sheet. Now, let's bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F. Bake the piped choux pastry for 15 minutes, then reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees F and continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes. The eclairs should be beautifully golden brown and feel light and hollow when tapped. It's crucial they are fully baked to prevent collapsing. Once done, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Next up, the star of the show, the creamy custard filling. In a bowl, whisk together egg yolks, sugar, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Gently heat milk with a vanilla bean until it just simmers. Slowly temper the hot milk into the egg mixture, then return everything to the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens. Strain it, cover with plastic wrap, and chill for at least 2 hours. Finally, let's bring it all together. Once your eclairs are cool and your custard is chilled, pipe the rich custard filling into each eclair shell. For the glaze, melt 4 ounces of good quality dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream until smooth. Dip the top of each filled eclair into the warm chocolate glaze. You can also add a sprinkle of chopped nuts or a dusting of cocoa powder for an elegant finish. Enjoy your homemade custard eclairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.